start off with a little onion and sweet pepper, special ingredient, pimento seed, coconut milk, and black beans. And this here, the peppercorn, just a drizzle oil to coat the bottom of the pan. Medium heat. Saute the onions and the sweet pepper. When they start sweating, to give it some flavor, I usually add the cock soup right here. Smells amazing. Then the peppercorn, some, because they really want the flavor to build at this point. So it's just a matter of sauteing it with the onions to develop that flavor before you add water or stock. And today I'm actually gonna use some water because I'm gonna be using some coconut milk, and I do not want the stock to overpower it. Both of them don't go together. So this I'm gonna saute, bring it to a small boil, 2 minutes tops, to get rid of the lumps from the cock soup. This smells so good. And it's at this point I'm gonna add the black beans. Now I'm using black beans instead of the kidney peas, which a lot of Caribbean people tend to use when they're making rice. So I'm adding the beans to it, so I can bring all of this to a boil. You know, we Caribbean people gotta wash out the can. Right? So I'm adding the beans to it. Look at that. The flavor inside here is amazing. And I'm gonna go ahead and add my pimento seed, a few pimento seed, just to give it some extra flavor. And to that I'm adding about a teaspoon of salt, because I'm gonna be cooking about 3 cups of rice and we want it to be flavorful. So give this a little toss. It smells so good. We're just gonna add enough water to, this is like 2 cups, enough water to cook the rice when we add the rice. And be reminded that we're gonna put a little bit of coconut milk, so not too much water. It all depends on the amount of rice that you're gonna be cooking. All right, now if you're in the Caribbean and you can get the real coconut and you grate that, this makes it really good. If not, the good old Goya from the can. Give that a nice toss again. We're just gonna add some pepper flakes. If you have a whole pepper, that would be good for this. Give it some taste. But if not, then I'm gonna add some thyme. Give this a little toss, and then I'm gonna bring it to a boil. 5 minutes to 10 minutes. I'm gonna add the rice when all the ingredients are properly blended, especially the coconut milk. You want it to be able to boil for a while before you add the rice. I'm gonna cover that, and then when it's ready for the rice, I'll come right back. So we're washing the rice. I'm actually using parboiled rice. Us Caribbean people don't consume rice unless you wash it here. Yes, once the water runs off clear, then you know you're good to go. Oh, that smells so good. All the seasoning. So I'm gonna add the rice. Like I said, this is like 3 cups of rice, measured and washed. Three cups of rice easily feed a family of 4 or 5 if you're actually doing your portions, which serving should be like a spoon or 2, 3 of rice. And when I say spoon, I mean pot spoon. Even this very same spoon, 4 or 5 of this could be a serving for Caribbean people. That is not a lot. Now look at that. It's like this. To make it moist, I like to put a bit of foil over it. Turn it down real low, and then put the pot cover back on. And we Caribbean people say, especially Jamaicans, we steam in the rice. So we turn it down low, and this is gonna be simmering for another 5 to 10 minutes, and then we'll have our Caribbean style peas and rice. Checking back on the rice after around 15 minutes. Oh, smells so good. Look at that. So real taste. Yep, this is so good, guys. Now I promise you, Kammy style rice is gonna outdo rice and peas, peas and rice, and all of them, because this is a mix of seasoned rice and all that I just mentioned all in one. The only thing that is missing right now is pieces of chicken, which would compare it to a pillow. And I'm telling you guys, you have to try this one.